appointment here to apply for my marriage. Last week my girlfriend has already signed the application.
Of course. Would you sit down, please?
Thanks.
I've already prepared everything. Here's the application that your girlfriend has already filled in and signed. But for now, did you bring the documents you need to submit?
Oh no, I'm so sorry. I have probably overlooked the passage that I have to bring some documents. Would you tell me what I should bring, please?
I will need your certificate of birth, a registration certificate, and you will have to pay an administrative charge of €25.
I feel so sorry for the circumstances. Could you tell me where I do get these documents?
Of course. You will receive the needed documents at the citizen's office. It is located at the marketplace, but I think it will have been closed.
I will try it right away to apply for the documents. Is it possible that I can come tomorrow to give you the right documents?
That's no problem. Just come during our office hours. But you could sign the application now if you have finished reading it. By doing that, we would be able to work on everything in time.
Thank you so much for the possibility. Is everything right for my marriage?
Everything is complete. You don't have to worry. I'll only need the required documents. We will see each other again tomorrow.
Now I'm very glad. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Enjoy your working day.
Thank you. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello.
Hello. How can I help you?
I need a register certificate and a certified copy of my birth certificate.
Okay. Therefore, I'll need your identity card and your original certificate of birth.
Okay, give me just 1 second. At first, here's the original and the copy of my birth certificate and my identity card.
Thank you. This will take one moment. Here's your registration certificate and your identity card. You will have to wait one moment until the certified copy is finished.
Okay, no problem.
So, here's your certified copy and the original document.
Well, thank you for all. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Bye.
Oh, hi. I just want to give you the missing documents for my marriage application.
Thank you. Now everything is complete. I will see you at the wedding on 24.
Okay, thank you. Goodbye.
Bye. Public Order Office, Halle Saale, Mrs. Order speaking. How can I help you?
Hello, my name is Mr. Momota and I parked my car at the parking spot next to Castle Giebichenstein. But now I came back and it isn't here anymore. Could you help me, please?
Let me see if your call was announced because of parking violation and may be towed. Would you give me the license number and type and color of the car, please?
My car is a raspberry red colored Ford Fiesta with the license number HAL BA 402.
Well, yes, your car was parked in a no parking zone. For that reason, we charged the breakdown service Gone and Away in the Magdeburger Street 3 to tow your car. Actually, it resides on their area.
Oh no, I haven't noticed that. I will contact them immediately. Thanks for everything. Goodbye.
No problem. Goodbye.
Bye. Thanks God for getting back my car. I think this day is gonna be a very good day.
Of course, it will be a good day.